Welcome to Open Book Solutions, where real site knowledge meets practical planning. In this video, you will learn how to calculate productivity rate using a real road construction activity. If you are a planning engineer or site engineer or just want to understand how productivity works, this video is for you. Here's what we will cover. We will learn how to calculate productivity in road construction activities. Let's say the activity is laying asphalt road base for a specific area. The basic formula for productivity calculation is productivity rate equal quantity of work done divided by time taken. For example, we consider the activity as asphalt line. The quantity for the activity is 500 meters square. Duration for the activity is 1 day, and we consider 8 working hours for 1 day, and the crew consists of 6 workers. This is our assumptions. First, we calculate the productivity per crew per day. We consider total quantity 500 meters square and duration is 1 day. So 500 meters square divided by 1 day will give us productivity of 500 meters square per day. Then we calculate productivity per worker per day. Same quantity 500 meters square divided by 6 crew workers give us 83.33 meter square per worker per day productivity. And last, we calculate per hour productivity per crew, where we divide 500 meter square quantity by 8 working hours per day, giving us productivity of 62.5 meters square per hour. Then here is the summary of productivity calculation. In this example, if six workers lay 500 square meters of asphalt base in 1 day, their productivity is 83.33 meters square per worker per day, or 62.5 meters square per hour per crew. This rate help planning engineer or site engineer to forecast duration and manpower for future projects. We will share some more real site productivity rate calculations for more infra activities in our productivity rate series. Hope you like this video. Thank you very much for your time.